Welcome to the Nuwabkedi language channel. I'm doing this for the students of the Nuwabkedi language class. This was requested since I haven't done this in a couple years and new letters were introduced into the Nuwabkedi language, which is known by no other name. So let's begin. Hope you guys enjoyed the background music, and I hope my voice is actually over the music, so I'm gonna pick my level up a little bit here. Alright, so this first letter is a vowel. It's ah, like a lot. Second letter here where my hand's hovering over, that's ah, like I sat down. B is in b, is for bad. This is a D, as in dad, d. This is a vowel, eh, as in kemet. This is F, as in free. This is G, but a hard G, like golf, golf. So this letter here it'll be transliterated as a GH when using Roman letters, and it's pronounced R, like a gargling sound. R. Right here, I just got Raya. All right, no equivalent in English, so that's the best I can do right now. And this is a ha, as in happy, as in happy. It's a breathy, like ha. We don't have a soft H in Nuwabkedi. This right here, the I of hero, that is an E sound, as in emergency, or this can be pronounced emergency, but right now I'm using it as emergency because English is all mixed up with Latin words, and they became confused because they want to be Romans. So right now we use it as emergency. The next one is a J, as in jealous. Next letter is K, as in car. This right here is a and it's translated as a KH. And this word right here is dahur. This crescent right here, that's an L, as in letter. Next letter is an M, as in mother. N, as in November. This is a vowel, O, as in O, like in O, but as also in roll, as in roll or whole. Next letter is R. Well, it's not an R, but I'm giving you the English transliteration, the English, since that's what most of us grew up with. So anyway, this is an R, transliterated like this, in the Roman letter, and it's ra, like Spanish ra, but the ancient Egyptians said it about 100,000 years before the Spanish did, so that's where they got it from. This S, transliterated right here, like as in speed. This single letter right here is represented by two letters when transliterated into the Roman letter system, as in sheikh. So the sh sound. This is a T right here, as in tango. This is a the, like a TH sound, as in theater. This Q, Q. This is Q right here, transliterated like this, as in Quran. Ignore this quit. It's more like in Quran. Quran. Next letter we have is a U, transliterated like this, as in umbrella is really not a good one. More like in room, right? Or broom. That double O represented in English makes the oo sound. So next letter. This is what you would call a W with a w, as in whiskey. This next letter is a Y. Yeah, as in Yankee. Z, as in zebra. This is a long N sound, a long A sound, I mean. This is on, on, like turn on the lights, and it's transliterated right here. This is an N, long eh sound, N, transliterated like this, as in the word end or pretend. This is a un, represented by UN, as in baboon. This right here we call a satuh. It's more like a performance, a glottal stop. So the nearest example I could find was that slight pause, or achug. A lot of Nuwabians know achug, right? That achug. You hear that pause? That's the satuh working. All right, and these two new letters right here is usually find them translated as dy, as dia, like dejud, and this. I don't know the original Tamarian word for this. I just call it the Hindu word, the swastika, and that's a ty. We've repurposed these two letters here. So it's ty, netior, a netior, right? It's kind of like a sliding T and a sliding D. But with practice, you'll get it. So you'll notice we've repurposed these two letters, and then we came in with the ancient Egyptian or ancient Tamarian letters for an, en, and un. And I think that's about it. So we got 3 new letters and then 2 repurposed letters here. So if anybody's got any questions in the class, this is mainly meant for people in the class on Google Classroom, which I teach every Monday. So inshallah, haradu kalu ruanu. Hopefully that was helpful. If anybody in the class got any questions, please let me know. Wadu.